Okay, see students, this is a numerical regarding the mirror formula, right? We know before that the mirror formula is 1 by V plus 1 by U is equals to 1 by F. What is V? Image distance. What is U? What is F? फोकल लेंथ है कि नहीं? तो अकॉर्डिंग टू साइन कन्वेंशन U का वैल्यू हमेशा क्या होने वाला है? हमेशा नेगेटिव है कि नहीं? V का वैल्यू इट में बी पॉजिटिव और इट में बी नेगेटिव. फॉर रियल इमेज V इज नेगेटिव, फॉर virtual image it is positive. And what about focal length? Focal length for convex mirror is positive, for concave mirror is negative. Now see, first of all we have to write the given part. What are the factors that is given? An object is placed 10 centimeter from a convex mirror. 10 centimeter object is placed, that means U is what? 10 or minus 10? Minus 10 centimeter. In the sign convention part I have already told you that object distance will always taken as negative. That means U is equals to, even if it is given 10 centimeter, we will take minus 10, because in the sign convention part we have minus you have to take always for the object distance. That means U is minus 10 centimeter. Now what is again given? From a convex mirror of radius of curvature 60 centimeter. That means ROC is given. It is how much? 60 centimeter. It is only 60 or minus 60? Only 60. Why? Because convex mirror is there. If it was concave mirror, then it becomes minus 60. Now this is ROC, not the focal length. How we can get the value of focal length? Divided by 2. F is equals to ROC by 2. That means 60 by 2. That means 30 centimeter. Now we have U. F, what you have to find out? V. V is equals to what much you have to find out. है कि नहीं? अच्छा, we have the formula 1 by V plus 1 by U is equals to 1 by F. What we have to find out? V. So 1 by V is equals to 1 by F minus 1 by U. Now 1 by V is equals to, what is the value of F? F is what? 30 minus 1 by U का वैल्यू कितना है? minus 10. अगेन देखो माइनस माइनस ये क्या हो जाएगा? प्लस हो जाएगा. 1 by 30 प्लस 1 by 10. एलसीएम कितना? 30. 1 प्लस दिस इज 3. 4 by 30. 4 by 30 is the value of what? 1 by V. Now what will be the value of V? We will change the position. Implies 1 by V is equals to 4 by 30, implies V will be what? 30 by 4. That means what? 7.5 centimeter. That means V will be what? 7.5 centimeter. See, here is another question, but it will be something different. Okay, see, if an object is placed 20 centimeter from a concave mirror, on an object is placed at a distance of what? 20 centimeter. That means U is equals to what? 20 or minus 20? Minus 20 centimeter, because object distance is always taken as negative. Now see, here it is given as concave mirror. Concave mirror of focal length how much? 30 centimeter. For concave mirror the focal length is positive or negative? Negative. For concave mirror focal length is negative. F is equals to minus 30 centimeter. है कि नहीं? U का भी minus, F का भी minus. What you have to find out? Here it is given. Then find out the value of image distance. That means V we have to find out. Clear? Again, this formula is, we are going to solve this numerical by mirror formula, because it is given concave mirror. If it is given convex lens, we have to use lens formula. As it is given concave mirror, we have to use mirror formula. What is the mirror formula? 1 by V plus 1 by U is equals to 1 by F. What we have to find out? V. 1 by V is equals to 1 by F minus 1 by U. What is F? minus 30 minus 1 by Q का वैल्यू कितना है? minus 20. माइनस माइनस क्या हो जाएगा? प्लस minus 1 by 30 minus minus plus 1 by 20. Now see, 1 by 20 minus 1 by 30, it is what? 1 by V. In the next step, 1 by V is equals to, LCM will be how much? 20, 30 LCM how much? 60. 60 it is. 60 by 20 how much? 3. 3 into 1 3 minus 60 by 30 कितना? 2. 2 into 1 कितना? 2. 1 by V is equals to 3 minus 2, 1 by 60. 1 by V is 1 by 60. V is equals to 60 centimeter. If V is coming positive, that means what type of image it is? Virtual and erect image. If it was minus, then real image. Clear?